Hand feed a kangaroo, pat a dingo, meet new furry or feathered friends, walk alongside a peacock.
Hi, I'm Kim. This is Zeke.
And I'm Stacey. We're from Team Visit Wagga Wagga. Come with us today as we meet some of the cute, cuddly and unique friends here at the Wagga Wagga Botanic Gardens Zoo and Aviary. Get up close to the animals that call the zoo home on any day you visit. The keepers do an amazing job introducing the animals to visitors, making for an extra memorable visit.
There's keeper talks, hand feeding sessions, photo opportunities and more. Don't worry if you miss one of the special encounters because there's always the free flight aviary to experience. This amazing space is home to a number of different birds. Most aren't shy and will land on you or enjoy being hand fed. When in the aviary, make sure you look up, down and all around as you never quite know when you might spy a friendly feathered or furry friend.
There's an array of animals to check out on a visit to the zoo, from emus, dingoes, kangaroos and wallabies, guinea pigs, turtles and more.
And don't forget to stop and admire the roaming peacocks. Even try and capture a selfie with one while it's shaking its tail feathers.
The Zoo and Aviary is open most days, it's perfect for all ages and best of all, the experience is free.
You can find the zoo and aviary inside the Botanic Gardens in Wagga Wagga. So once you've done wandering the zoo, why not explore the beautiful garden and playground spaces as well? Or pop in for a snack or a drink at the on-site cafe.
Don't miss this amazing attraction, perfect for all ages when you visit Wagga Wagga. And to discover more great attractions when in our Wagga Wagga and surrounds region, hit the link in our bio or head to visitwagga.com.